Here I've got Motorola One Vision, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using, in my case it is Google Chrome, and then tap on the More icon located in the right upper corner, select History, and go to Clear Browsing Data. And here you have some basic and advanced options. So under Basic you will find Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, Cached Images and Files, and if you will go to Advanced you have few more, and these are Saved Passwords, Autofill from Data, and also Site Settings. So just mark those that you would like to delete. If you would like to stay with your Autofill from Data, you can unmark it, but I would like to remove everything. And the last step here is to select the time range. Just pick the period of time from which you would like to delete your history. I will choose all time, and finally click on Clear Data. Confirm it by tapping on Clear, and that's it. This is it. You've just did it. Congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.